Alright guys, so here's how you make that graph. So first we got to start with a title, and the title of it is the running cost, because that's what we want to know. Running cost of 4 washers. Sorry, I had to look at my back there. Alright, so now we got to come up with, do our little lines there. Remember, we always start at 0 here. So, just like the other two that are on your other page there, we want to start with, down here is going to be the design models. So, model. And we have 4. We have A, B, C, and D. Now, how do I draw my grid up here? Well, we want to make a bar graph, so we're going to draw lines in between the letters. If we're doing a line graph, we draw them right on the letters because we're going to be putting dots. So here we're going to be making bars. All right, so we'll make bars in here. Now, what do we put on the side? Well, what does it say? We want to do the running cost. So the column we're going to look at is dollars per year, it says. Dollars per year. It's a lot easier for you guys because you can turn your book sideways. Now, my dollars. How do I choose what my scale should be going up? Well, we have to look at the 4 numbers and decide what the lowest number is and what the highest number is, and make sure that we have enough for all of them. So it appears there are 29, 37, 40, and 56. So my top number up here is probably going to be 60. Okay? So if you can fit in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then do it. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then draw your lines going across. All right. Now fill in your graph. So washer A, it said, was $29 to run. So that's right about there. Now I'm hoping you'll do a better job than me, but you know, as I've told you before, markers do not color in very well. So, okay, B says 40. That's nice and easy. There you go, 40. C costs $56. Right about there. And D is 37. There you go. So this is what your graph should look like. Now, based on this graph, which model of washing machine would you buy? If you're looking for cost efficiency, I would go with Model A because it's the cheapest per year to run. Now, with that, because you have other data there, you have to look at what other things did they have that they tested. They tested the amount of water that you're using, which is also another cost, and then how long it takes. So you got to factor in those as well. So if we look at just Model A was the used the least amount of water. So again, for me, that's a good thing, but it took the longest to run a load of laundry. So if you want to do a lot of laundry quickly, well, you got to kind of wait because that's what I get for a cheaper cost.